Dun dun dun! Now presenting month one of the Female STEM Academy subscription box. Behold its wonder. Hey there, parents and educators. My name is Danielle. I am the founder and CEO of Make Them Mainstream. I help people like you teach young females about science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. Every Wednesday, I post about an influential female in STEM, and every Thursday, I post about female STEM education, or I teach you a fun STEM activity that you can do with your children, your homeschoolers, or your students. Now, today is Wednesday, so usually I would do a biography about a specific influential female in STEM. But instead, today I am going to unbox the very first month of the Female STEM Academy subscription box. The Female STEM Academy is a monthly subscription box service where you get STEM education delivered right to your doorstep. Every single month, your daughter will receive a box in the mail all about a specific female in STEM and STEM activities related to her. She is going to learn not only about a female role model, but also she'll be able to try on a career that is STEM related. Month one is all about Maria Sevilla Marion, and she was an entomologist. Let's take a look inside month one. As you open the box, the first thing you should see is this themed wrapping. The contents of the box will be wrapped in matching tissue papers. Colors are subject to change. As she unwraps the paper, she will see all of the contents that she's going to need for her indoor STEM activity. Underneath all of the indoor STEM activity materials are informational pieces of content for you and more activities for your daughter. Each box comes with a short biography/activity book about the female of the month, a journal page, an outdoor STEM activity with instructions, an indoor STEM activity with instructions, an informational page for you to explain what your child is learning, all of the supplies necessary to complete the indoor activity. The boxes also come with other fun bonuses, such as in this box, we learn about butterfly symmetry, we learn how to classify creatures, and we learn how to label creatures as well. The Female STEM Academy subscription box was designed specifically so your daughter can have activities that she can do by herself and activities that she's going to need you for as well, so you can spend some more quality time together. Make Them Mainstream believes in simplicity, so each box is designed with 3 learning objectives in mind: curiosity, problem solving, and communication. Now that should sound familiar because we've done a couple of videos about that already. The Female STEM Academy subscription box was available for order on November 1st, so you can grab your subscription box for your daughter or another young female in your life by clicking the link in the description below. But I'm sure that you have a lot more questions about the box. That's why that link doesn't take you directly to a sales page, it takes you to an informational page all about FSA. On that page, you will find information such as pricing, shipping, and a sneak peek into months 1 and 2 of the Female STEM Academy subscription box. Since we are in the holiday season, I have decided to ship boxes every single Monday until December 17th. That way, your young scientists will definitely get their box in time for Hanukkah or Christmas. I'm so excited for you and your young scientists to have a better understanding of the world, and I know that the Female STEM Academy subscription box will help you with that STEM education. Thank you so much for watching, and if you are interested in the box, again, you can check the link out in the description below, or you can email me personally at danielleconnolly@makethemmainstream.com. I can't wait to hear from you. I hope that you have a fantastic day. Keep being curious, keep discovering, and happy learning.